Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we will be making low-calorie, high-protein meals and snacks that will help you lose fat and gain muscle. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and doing basically anything in the fitness industry. These recipes are replacements for the high-fat, high-calorie, low-protein meals that will definitely mess up your diet. So in today's episode, we're going to be making strawberry cheesecake donuts, guys. If you replace a real donut with this one, you will crush your donut cravings and you will stay on your fitness goals. That's what the anabolic diet is all about, is to satisfy your cravings and make you stay on your fitness goal, guys. Okay guys, say you're craving a pizza, make the anabolic pizza. Say you're craving nachos, make the anabolic nachos. And these swaps will make you stay on your fitness goal and satisfy that craving. Guys, I started dieting with chicken, rice, and broccoli, but all my meals have similar macros to the chicken, rice, and broccoli, so you're gonna get similar results. Don't get me wrong, guys, the chicken, rice, and broccoli diet works very well, but so does the anabolic diet. It works the same way. You still have to have low calories and high protein and be in a deficit for it to work. Instead of eating chicken, rice, and broccoli for 3 meals a day, you could have French toast in the morning, you could have a burger for lunch, and chili cheese fries for dinner, top it off with donuts at night for dessert, and still lose weight and gain muscle. Come on guys, it's a no-brainer. What can you know, come on, let's do this. Okay guys, in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your donut cravings with anabolic strawberry cheesecake donuts. Okay guys, these donuts have only about 1/3 of the calories of the real donuts with a lot of flavor. Okay guys, let's get into the recipe with the strawberry anabolic cheesecake donuts. Okay guys, first step is get your food scale ready and a bowl, okay guys? Alright. For the first step, we're gonna need 45 grams of whey vanilla protein, guys. 45 grams. Okay guys, remember, 45 grams, okay? For the next step, we're gonna need 30 grams of all-purpose flour. Remember guys, 30 grams, okay? Okay guys, remember, 30 grams, okay? Next ingredient is going to be 15 grams of coconut flour. Okay guys, remember 15 grams, okay? Coconut flour. Next ingredient, we're going to need 10 grams of sweetener, no calories. Remember guys, 10 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're going to need 7 grams of Jello cheesecake pudding mix. Okay guys, remember 7 grams, okay? Next, we're gonna need 3 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 3 grams, okay? Next step, mix all the ingredients you added, mix it well. Okay guys, the mixture should look like that, and see everything is incorporated really good guys, so let's get to the next step. Next step, we're gonna need 170 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 170, okay? Okay guys, remember 170 grams, okay? Okay guys, next step is mix it now. Mix it very well with the Greek yogurt, okay? Okay guys, when you're done mixing, the batter should look like that. And if you try this batter, you might eat it all. It tastes really good, guys. For this recipe, you are gonna need one of these donut trays. It makes 5 to 6 donuts, but we're gonna make 5, okay? You can make 6 though, but we're gonna do 5, okay? Don't forget to spray. Okay guys, now that we got them all 5 sprayed, we're gonna put our batter in there. Okay guys, put the batter evenly to all 5. You could do 6 as well, but they're gonna be just a little bit thinner, okay guys? But try to do them evenly and you should be okay. Alright, let's do this. A little bit right. Okay guys, should look something like that. They're not gonna be all perfect and everything, but they're gonna taste really good, guys. So they're a little sticky, but you'll be able to manage them all. Okay. Next step, we're gonna need 17 grams of strawberry preserved sugar-free and 17 grams per each donut. Remember guys, 17 grams, okay? Each donut gets 17 grams. Try to spread it out as much as you can. Okay guys, when you're finished assembling it, it should be similar to that, okay? Now you're gonna put these in the oven for 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, okay? 10 to 12, depends how many you made. You know, 6 or 5, okay? Just touch them till they're firm. Okay guys, they just came out of the oven. Let them cool for 5 minutes and you should be okay. You can wait longer, they're still gonna be warm. You could try them cold as well and they're still gonna be just as tasty. Try them out when they're warm and then try them out when they're cold. They're both really, really good. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. They're already cooled down a little bit, but they're still warm. They're still very good like this, or you can let them cool down more longer and eat them later, but they're both good in both ways guys. So whatever you want, eat them right away in 5 minutes or wait until later. They're both gonna be very delicious. You know, let's try them out, but first, a word from our sponsors. Okay guys, it's taste test time, okay guys? So let's try one out, okay? Let me see which one I want to try out. I think I'll try this one. Okay guys, cheers. Guys, I know I say everything is good here, but this is really good too guys. Look at that. That's a donut right there. That is a donut right there guys. Man, this thing is so good guys. Man, please make this guy. Comment on, man, make this please. This donut is so good. It's really, really good guys. Try it out. We'll take another bite. Guys, this tastes just like a real donut with less than a third of the calories. Please try it out guys. Please try these donuts out and comment below and just tell me how much you guys like these donuts. Please make these donuts, comment below and I'll comment right back of how you guys like it. I know you guys are gonna love it. I've been making this for like almost 2 weeks straight. Still not tired of these bad boys. Make them guys, and this is gonna keep you on your fitness goals and make you gain muscle, lose fat. And we're gonna keep on, you know, we're gonna keep on doing this guys. So let's keep making these recipes. Let's keep staying fit guys. And man, I can't believe how good this is with the lowest calories. I cannot believe it. Okay guys, for the macros, if you eat all 5, it's 520 calories, 58 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 6 grams of fiber, and 69 grams of carb. And that's if you eat all 5 guys, and those calories are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay guys, if you just eat one, which I doubt it, it's gonna be like the chips. I bet you just can't eat one. Okay guys, if you eat one of them, it's gonna be 104 calories, 11 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 1 gram of fiber, and 10 grams of carbs. But I bet you just can't eat one. If you do, just let me know that you ate one on the comments below and I'll comment on you right back. Maybe you did it wrong. This is so delicious guys. Make them, comment below, and we'll see. Okay guys, please make these donuts and comment how much you enjoyed them, and I'll comment to everyone back. Guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. And it has a lot of other great tasty recipes that I know is going to put you on track. Okay guys? If you want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll make sure I work hard on it. If you want to make more anabolic tasty recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, all the stars subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.